Hello student, how are you all? I hope you are all fine in your home. Today we are going to start fraction. In first video we have done fraction, types of fraction, and types of fraction we are going to continue. Today we will do like fraction, unlike fraction, equivalent fraction. Okay, now see what is like fraction. In like fraction what happens? All the denominators are equal. Okay, all denominators are equal or same. Okay, for example, see 7 by 13, 4 by 13, 3 by 13. What we see here, all the denominators are same. Okay, all the denominators are same. Unlike fraction, in this fraction what happens? All denominators are different. Okay, all denominators are different. Okay, for example 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 6 by 7. Okay, see in unlike fraction all the denominators are different, but in like fractions all the denominators are equal. Okay, equivalent fraction. In this fraction what happens? All the fractions having equal value. Okay, all fractions having equal value. Suppose half can be written as 4 by 8, 16 by 32, and etc. Okay, after you see here 4 by 8 and 16 by 32, when you will reduce it into simplest form, this all fraction becomes 1 by 2. Okay student, this all fractions becomes 1 by 2. So we can say all the fractions having equal value. Okay student, now unlike fraction is converted into like fraction. Okay, means in unlike fraction what happens? All the denominators are different. Okay, so we have to convert all the denominators into like fraction. In like fraction what happens? All the denominators are same. Okay student, so see how to convert into like fraction. Okay student, converting unlike fraction into like fraction. Now see the rule how to convert it. If you understand this rule, you can do ascending order also, descending order also. Okay, addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction also very easily. Okay student, now see first, if in unlike fraction what happen? All the denominators are different. Okay, so what we have to take? First step, we have to take LCM of the denominator. Okay, LCM of denominator. Okay, first we have to take the LCM of the denominator. Second, we have to do convert all fraction into like fraction. Now how to convert into like fraction? That matters. Okay, that we have to know. Okay, so that is what we have to do. We have to make all denominators equal to denominator. Okay, means denominator LCM will be equal to denominator. Okay, for this what we have to do? See here, LCM, okay, divide with denominator. Okay, LCM divide with denominator, you will get quotient Q. Okay, you will get quotient Q. From this quotient we will multiply numerator and denominator. Okay, next step what we have to do? You have the fraction numerator upon denominator. Okay, we have to multiply with quotient multiplied by quotient. Okay, in this what we will see, this will becomes like fraction. Okay, like fraction. Okay, repeat this process for all fractions. Okay, repeat it for all fraction, for all fractions. Okay, now at last what you will see, greater the numerator, greater the value of numerator is greater fraction. Okay student, like this we have to convert unlike fraction into like fraction. First step, we have to take the LCM of the denominator. Second, we have to convert all the fraction into like fraction. For this what we have to do, we have to make all denominators equal to LCM. For this what we have to do, LCM divided by denominator. You will get any quotient, that is q, with let q. Okay, from this q we will multiply numerator and denominator. Now this becomes like fractions. Okay, now repeat this process for all the fractions. Okay, at last what we will see, greater the value of numerator. Okay, greater the value of numerator is greater fractions. Okay, means we have to see at last all the numerators value, the value which is greater, that fraction is greater fraction. Okay student, understand? Now for this we will do one example. Okay, then only we will understand. Okay student, now see the fractions 1 by 8, 5 by 6, 3 by 4, 5 by 16. Okay, here what we see, all the denominators are different. So first step what we have to do, we have to take the LCM of the denominator. Take the LCM of 4, 6, 8, 16. Okay, now in this what we see, all the numbers are even, so all numbers is divisible by 2. So divide with 2. 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 8 is 16. Here also 3 numbers is divisible with 2, so we can divide with 2. 2 1s are 2, 3 is not divisible, so we write as it is. 4 divisible by 2, so write here 2. 2 4s are 8. Again 2 number is divisible by 2, so again we will divide with 2. 1 3 is not divisible, write as it is. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Now what we see at last, these all numbers do not have the common factor, so we will leave it over here. Okay, now see the LCM, write all the product, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, now multiply 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 3 is 48. So LCM is our 48. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to make all the denominators equal to LCM. Okay student, that is our second step. Okay, now see here, first fraction is 1 by 8. How you will make it? Now see 48 over here, see the working rule over here. Okay, 48 divide with 8, how much you will get? 6. 6 as a quotient, what I have told you, LCM divided by denominator equal to quotient. Quotient you have got 6. Now with this quotient we will multiply numerator and denominator, numerator and denominator. See the next step, now this fraction becomes 6 by 48. Okay student, now see second fraction, 5 by 6. Again we have to multiply 48 by 6, you will get 8 as quotient, so multiply with 8 numerator and denominator, so you will get 40 upon 48. Okay student, now see third fraction, 3 by 4, divide 48 by 4, you will get 12. Okay, multiply with 12 numerator and denominator, you will get 36 upon 48. Okay student, and the last fraction is 5 by 16. Last fraction is 5 by 16 and the LCM is 48. So divide with 6, you will get, no, it is 16, 5 by 16. Okay, now divide with 16, 16 3 is 48. Quotient is 3, so multiply with 3 numerator and denominator, you will get 15 upon 48. Now what we see, we got three fractions, that is first fraction is 6 upon 48. Okay, and second fraction is 40 upon 48. Third fraction is 36 upon 48, and the last fraction is 15 upon 48. Okay, now see, all fraction is converted into like fraction. All fraction is now like fraction. Okay student, now what we have to do, greater the value of numerator is greater fraction. Now we will see the value of the numerator, which one is greater. So 40 upon 40 is greater. Okay, this one is greater. Okay, greater value, this one becomes first, mark it like this, and this becomes second, and this becomes third, and this is last. Okay, fourth. Okay, so we can say 40 by 80 is greater fractions than all. Okay student, 40 by 48 is greater fractions. Then comes 36 upon 48. Then comes 15 upon 48, and the last is 6 upon 48. Okay, now this fraction we can convert it into, we can arrange in ascending order and descending order also. Okay, we can write ascending order. In ascending order, what happens, how we arrange the numbers, from small to big. Okay, from small to big, that means this fraction 6 by 48 is the smaller fraction. Okay, so it will comes before 6 by 48. Okay, less than 15 upon 48, and this less than 36 upon 48, and last 40 upon 48. This is our ascending order from small to big. Now in descending order, from big to small, means reverse of this fractions. Okay, the reverse of ascending order, that is 40 by 48 is greater fraction than 36 upon 48, then 15 upon 48, then 6 upon 48. Okay, now what we have learned, first converted into like fraction. Okay, now from this fraction only, if the denominators are different, how to arrange in ascending order and descending order, that also we have done. Okay, in descending order and ascending order, like this we used to convert unlike fraction into like fractions. If the denominators are different, we can convert it into like fractions. Okay student, like this we used to do. Okay, now what we have to do, see, improper fraction converted into mixed fraction, Okay, now see here, 19 by 3, this is improper fraction. This fraction is converted into mixed fraction. How you will convert? Now see the working rule. Okay, working rule, divide 19 by 3. How many times it will go? 6 times. Right here 18. Okay, 1. So 6 1 by 3. is our mixed fraction. This is our improper fraction. Improper fraction is converted into mixed fraction. Like this we convert it into mixed fraction. And second, mixed fraction is converted into fraction converted into improper fraction. Improper fraction. Okay, now see here 7 1 by 4. How you will convert this? For this we have to do whole number is multiplied with denominator. Whole number, that is 7 multiplied by 4, and the numerator is added. Add the numerator upon 4. 7 4s are 28 plus 1 upon 4, 29 upon 4. This is our improper fraction. 7 1 by 4 is converted into improper fraction. Okay student, like this we used to do this all things. Okay, how to convert it into improper fraction into mixed fraction, and mixed fraction is converted into improper fractions. Okay student, see the rules. You will not get in any books. Okay, see this rule properly. This is very helpful for you all only. Okay, how to convert it unlike fraction into like fraction. Okay, if ascending order and descending order, different fraction is with different denominators. How to convert? First you have to convert all the fraction into like fraction, then only this process, this rule you can apply it. Okay, then only you can do it. Okay, how to arrange in ascending and descending order. Okay student, thank you. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe it. Okay student, have a nice day. Thank you.